Robots captivate our imagination. They are machines designed to perform tasks automatically. From simple toys to complex industrial machines, robots come in various forms. Early robots were basic, often performing repetitive tasks. Today's robots are far more sophisticated. They can learn, adapt, and even make decisions. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, meaning forced labor. This origin highlights the initial purpose of robots to assist humans in physically demanding or tedious tasks. Over time, the capabilities of robots have expanded exponentially. They have evolved from simple mechanical arms to complex systems powered by artificial intelligence. The journey of robots is a testament to human ingenuity. It is a story of continuous innovation and our relentless pursuit of creating machines that can extend our reach and capabilities. As we delve deeper into the world of robotics, we will explore the remarkable advancements driving this field forward. Cobots, short for collaborative robots, represent a new era in robotics. Unlike traditional industrial robots that operate in isolation, cobots are designed to work alongside humans. They are equipped with advanced sensors and software. This allows them to interact safely and effectively with human co-workers. Cobots are transforming industries by taking over repetitive, physically demanding or dangerous tasks. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. For example, in manufacturing, cobots can assist with assembly, welding, and material handling. In healthcare, they can assist surgeons during delicate procedures. The rise of cobots is changing the nature of work. It is creating a safer and more efficient workplace. As cobots become more intelligent and adaptable, they will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in various industries in the years to come. Mars rovers are robotic vehicles designed for one of humanity's most ambitious endeavors, exploring the planet Mars. These sophisticated machines are equipped with an array of scientific instruments. This allows them to study the Martian surface, atmosphere, and geology. From the early Sojourner rover to the more recent Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, these robotic explorers have provided invaluable data about our celestial neighbor Mars. They have captured stunning images of the Martian landscape, analyzed rock samples, and even searched for signs of past or present life. The development and deployment of Mars rovers represent a triumph of engineering and a testament to our thirst for knowledge. These robotic pioneers are paving the way for future human exploration of Mars and beyond. Their discoveries continue to inspire us and fuel our curiosity about the universe we inhabit. Section 4. Robots in healthcare revolutionizing patient care. Robots are revolutionizing healthcare, improving patient outcomes, and transforming the way medical professionals work. From surgical robots to rehabilitation robots, these advanced machines are enhancing precision, efficiency, and patient care in numerous ways. Surgical robots, for instance, allow surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with greater accuracy and control. This results in smaller incisions, reduced pain, and faster recovery times for patients. Rehabilitation robots assist patients in regaining mobility and function after injuries or strokes. Beyond surgery and rehabilitation, robots are also used in hospitals for tasks such as delivering medications, transporting patients, and disinfecting rooms. This frees up nurses and other healthcare workers. They can then focus on providing direct patient care. Section 5. Industrial robots powering manufacturing and automation. Industrial robots have been a cornerstone of manufacturing for decades. These powerful machines are used in various industries, including automotive, electronics, and food processing. Industrial robots automate repetitive, high-precision tasks, improving efficiency, productivity, and safety in factories worldwide. One of the key advantages of industrial robots is their ability to work tirelessly for extended periods. This makes them ideal for tasks that would be monotonous or dangerous for human workers. Additionally, robots can operate with a level of precision. This is often unmatched by human capabilities, leading to higher quality products. As technology advances, industrial robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They're equipped with advanced sensors, vision systems, and artificial intelligence. This allows them to perform more complex tasks and adapt to changing production environments. Ethical considerations in robotics, navigating the moral landscape. As robots integrate into our lives, addressing ethical considerations is crucial. This includes job displacement, algorithmic bias, and misuse of technologies. Automation's impact on employment is a primary concern. Robots may displace human workers, raising questions about retraining. Algorithmic bias in robots is another ethical issue. Robots trained on biased datasets may perpetuate these biases. Developing ethical guidelines and regulations is essential. Section 7. Conclusion: the future of robotics. The field of robotics is rapidly evolving, driven by breakthroughs in AI, material science, and sensor technology. Robots are becoming more intelligent, adaptable, and capable, transforming industries and enhancing our lives. From cobots in factories to space exploration, the future of robotics is full of possibilities. It's essential to develop and deploy these technologies ethically for humanity's benefit. The journey of robotics is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. Robots will play an integral role in shaping our world, enhancing our lives, and inspiring future generations.